This is a video tutorial about getting rid of the ransomware called 2023 lock. 2023 lock is a new ransomware that may attack Windows computers. This ransomware is able to damage the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that their files are no longer accessible. Whenever you try to open this specific file, you get the message indicating that Windows cannot open this type of file, and then the ransom note pops up, and this ransomware appends this 2023 lock extension to the file names. The ransom note indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea, so do not waste the money and do not pay that ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner can be found on the website combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature that helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. Note that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. It only helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know all their exact locations on your Windows computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is available for all other popular operating systems. Speaking regarding file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So request trial and you can remove this ransomware.